MiPosaur Robotic Dinosaur is an interactive robotic toy created by WowWee that combines gesture recognition, app control, and a smart trackball accessory to provide multi-mode play. It is designed to look and behave like a dinosaur with a built-in personality system that reacts differently depending on its mood, curious, excited, or annoyed. MiPosaur uses GestureSense technology to respond to up to 10 handed gestures, such as swipes, claps, or covering its eyes, making interactions feel dynamic. The included Beacon-Sense TrackBall features 6 engaging modes: dance, food, BeatBox, leash, ball, and teddy bear, that deliver a variety of play experiences. MiPosaur is controlled via Bluetooth Low Energy. The free app allows direct driving, feeding, drawing movement paths, battling, dancing to your own music, and firmware updates. MiPosaur can wander around on its own when idle. It reacts to touch, claps, and interaction without needing the app.